Hi, you're watching UseWise YouTube channel. I'm Adriana Baranek, CEO of MiAdria, and here with me is Mladen Baranek, our
Hi.
CTO. So we talked about Google I/O, and right after Google I/O, there was the Microsoft Build conference from the 25th to the 27th of May. And we wanted to also give you a quick overview of what Microsoft had to present on Microsoft Build. Can you tell us a bit more about it?
So this year, like the last year, Microsoft Build was a digital
Mm-hmm.
conference, so there was no live event, and it was free to attend. As a yearly developer conference, Microsoft uses Build to announce major updates to their platforms,
Mm-hmm.
and this year they put emphasis on enabling developers to develop applications for Windows 10
Mm-hmm.
coming from different platforms. So they announced Project Reunion 0.8 and they would be pushing .NET 6 version soon so that developers coming from other platforms and other
Mm-hmm.
experiences can easier develop applications for Windows 10 specifically.
Mm-hmm.
From Azure perspective, they showed a lot of services related to AI, like PyTorch integration, and they also provided an overview of power tools and how they can utilize AI capabilities to enable users to develop process
Mm-hmm.
automation in a bit easier way. So
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
it was also
Yeah.
uh, a nice showcase. And regarding Windows 10, they
Mm-hmm.
also announced that Package Manager will become generally available. So finally, you'll be able to install applications on Windows 10 from command line in much
Mm-hmm.
easier way from repositories, like you can do it on Linux and
Mm-hmm.
other operating systems. So it is supposed to help administrators and developers to distribute applications on Windows
Mm-hmm.
10 platform in much easier way. And there were a lot of announcements regarding collaboration and teams.
Mm-hmm.
So Microsoft is developing Teams as a collaboration platform and provides Teams API, where they would like to integrate dashboards, whiteboards,
Mm-hmm.
and they'll also enable a creation of collaboration spaces
Mm-hmm.
for users.
Mm-hmm.
And somehow there were no hardware announcements, so it was more developer
Yeah.
story and geared towards developers. For us, it was very interesting to see that finally Outlook will also be able to manage events.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll be able to integrate this new API capabilities in our
Mm-hmm.
product for setting signatures in Office 365 and Outlook.
Yeah. Great. Yeah, so it was obviously a very interesting conference, and we are always excited to hear what Microsoft has to say. It wasn't as rich on announcements, so we will be only talking about Microsoft building this one video. If you have more questions, if you're interested in Microsoft technology and in some of the news that they announced, please get back to us. We have office hours on Friday. you can sign up for them in the links below. And yeah, thank you so much,
Thank you
Mladen.
so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you back very soon. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.